Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you these two. I have two Craftsman G2 sockets. I don't know what G2 means, but it is backwards, but these must be like a 90s version socket. They both fit on a 1/4-inch ratchet. See if I can get my other ratchets, put them on. And all my sockets just fell. That sucks. But I will pick them up after the video I record. That sucks though. I'm all organized, but they fell. Oh, that sucks. There are most of my Craftsman sockets too, my metric ones, but so this one's a 1/2 inch, this one's a 3/8. So not too bad. They don't lock very good. Well, they do actually. See, model number is 43497, and you see that it's 3/8. This one you can see the model number, which is 43499, and this one is a 1/2 inch. And I got them one on my. I don't know why the light looks like that. Maybe from the flashlight on my device. Yeah, I like to use this ratchet. This ratchet's nice. A nice soft grip. In the next video, I will be showing you what the internals of this looks like for you guys. But right now, we're focused on these sockets. But they're both 1/4-inch sockets, and I'm not sure why it says G2. I'm not sure what G2 means, but if you do like today's video, make sure you like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.